My dream goal is to build retreat center and feels distant. It brings a lot of weight. How can I get to level 10 when I'm on level 1?
Where do you feel that in your body?
On my chest.
Put your finger on the most intense part. On a scale of 0 to 10, how intense is it?
It was 10. Right now is 7.
So it still feels distant, but before it felt heavy.
That's right.
When you think about it taking a long time or there being a lot of steps, what does that feel like?
It's possible, but it requires work, concentration.
Is there any angst in your body whatsoever when you think about this retreat center?
It's still out there, so the process takes a lot of resources. There's an ache in the resources.
Where do you feel the ache?
The shoulders and the chest. It's not closer, but it's more achievable.
When you said it's not close, in your mind, where is it physically, spatially?
It's in front of me, but farther away.
Right there. What does it feel like in there?
That's amazing. Process changed my mind, my thought from uncertainty to more certainty. It's still a process, but it's certainty that it's fun, it's joyful, it still takes time, but the way I see it, it's from a different perspective. It's not a struggle. It's not because I have to do it. It's something I want to do, and I will enjoy the process from the beginning till the end. Thank you. Thank you for all the energy.